Hey guys, what's up? It's Dan the Lego Man, and I'm sorry if you guys might be able to hear water everywhere. There's a sprinkler right next to me, and it's gosh dang annoying. But today we're reviewing an app called Sound for Trolls by T7. But it's pretty much a bunch of sounds, but it's a little something else. I've only tried one of these, so let's see what happens. What the heck? So yeah, it has a troll face as well. Yeah, that's the other thing I was talking about. Anyway, let's applause. Thank you. Okay, that whistle was me, but whatever. Oh, come on. Okay, that's sarcastic. I just know that. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, jeez, that's crazy. What the heck? What? Oh god! Okay, that actually hurt my ears. No, don't What are you laughing at? Why? Oh god. What is that? This sounds God.
I'm Superman. I'm Superman. I'm Superman. I got mushrooms.
What the? Stop it! Stop it! I'm not a bad YouTuber!
Really?
Okay, that's just funny.
Really? 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 Really?
What the heck? So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.